Hello everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. I will show you how to share your My Maps from Google Maps. First, make sure that you are already logged into your Google account where you have created your My Maps. Once your My Map is created, you will see a share option here. Click on it and this window will pop up. Turn on the toggle that says anyone with this link can view. Then copy the link and share it with anyone you want. You can also share it through Google Drive. After that, you can choose viewer or editor access. Add email addresses, write a message, and click send. So this is how you can share your My Map with anyone you like. It's such as very quick and easy. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.